let's use my LEVO large batch herbal oil and butter infusion machine. Today I'm going to be infusing plantain leaf in olive oil. So plantain leaf is excellent at soothing skin wounds. It's great for skin disorders. I use it in my eczema cream and my eczema soap. I love this jumbo pod because it holds 1 ounce of dried leaf, which really is super impressive when you're making big batches and you need to infuse a lot at one time. So here I am pouring over my olive oil. You want to make sure it's covering your entire jumbo pod so you can get all that infusion goodness. We want to make sure. One thing I love about the LEVO company as a brand is it's not only practical, but it gives you instructions. So you can go to their website, as you can see here, and you can put in your herb and it'll let you know the temperature and time to infuse it. So here it is warming up, and then 2 hours later, it is ready to pour, which is a steal because when you're doing it the old school way, this can take 4 to 6 weeks. But with the LEVO machine, in 2 hours, you can have a really strong infusion of your herb. So I always just take out my giant pot, put it in a container, and then I give it an extra strain. There's usually nothing in here, but look at that green color. It's amazing.